I'm standing here now in this rather smoky atmosphere holding something extremely important. And this is a bamboo. In the prehistoric times, human beings used to cook their rice inside the bamboo. It's a bamboo like that. And we still have maintained this tradition. As you can see that rice is being cooked in bamboo. And there's a lot of smoke everywhere. And you can have a look at the whole smoke ceremony, if you want to call it that way. Let me move into the other side. So it's generating a lot of smoke. We have filled rice into the bamboo, and we have laid it out. There is rice straw, freshly harvested paddy, and the straws have been left behind. This is the straw. And out of the straw, so we use the straw as a way of cooking the rice inside the bamboo, pretty much the same way that human beings used to do maybe 30,000 years ago, before any potteries or utensils came into the view. So this is known as Chunga Pitha. Some of them are already cooked. I think you can have a little look at the one of the bamboos that have been cooked, and see how the rice inside. Yeah, so you can see that rice has been cooked. So you can see that this rice is now cooked. Its rice is now cooked. I just took it out. All cooked. No utensils needed, no potteries needed. This is prehistoric, this is Paleolithic, when human beings were foraging across the continent, and they discovered this way of cooking. So there is a little node here, and when you fill it up with the rice all the way up to the next node, and you have a way of a whole kind of fish cake. Now, ordinary rice you cannot cook like that. When you peel like that, rice will just fall apart. So you need special sticky rice. And that stickiness, due to excessive amount of amylopectin, not amylose, amylopectin, it gives rise to the sticky rice, the gluey rice. And what we find in evolutionary biology, that at one point all the rice became sticky. And my hypothesis is that this is when people discovered this way of cooking rice. And for their own reason, for their need, they converted all the rice, they kind of bred all the rice as sticky rice so that it could be cooked like that. And we call it genetic sweep. You find that there's a particular mutation in waxy locus, a kind of a RNA processing kind of error, which gives rise to this sticky rice, the waxy mutation. And every rice, many traditional rice, in fact most traditional rice, when you sequence, you find that it has that waxy mutation. And later the stickiness went away due to other compensatory mutations. So I think what happened is that people converted many rice, or almost all the rice, into waxy so that they could cook it into the bamboos, or they could use rice as a glue. The Great Wall of China, in fact, has used rice glue. But later, because they didn't want so much stickiness or other second side mutation, we call it, it became non-sticky. So this is the phenomenon now. When you sequence the rice genome, you found that the waxy mutation is still there, even in rice that is not sticky. Thank you.